A golden elephant near a village called. It was a big forest. There used to be a big forest near a golden elephant near a village called. It was a big forest. There used to be a big forest near a village called Nam. In this forest there was a cave. In that cave Ganesha released an elephant. There was a long time. After a few days Lord Ganesha came to the elephant. Ganesha turns into a golden hand. This word spreads throughout the village and all the people of the village go to the forest to see him. Suraj, a resident of the same village, lived with Shilpa and his son Rayu. It was very close. One day he said, "Hey Shilpa, you are listening. There is a golden elephant in the forest nearby. Let's go and see." "I will not come."
"What do you want, Lord? Make me different from everyone else, turn me into a golden elephant." When the elephant asks this, the Lord speaks the truth and Tarun Ganesh turns into a golden hand. This word spreads throughout the village of Karanpur. And all the people of the village go to the forest to see him. Suraj, the resident of the same village, used to live with Shilpa and his son Raju. "There is an elephant. Let's go and see." "I won't tell you. There is nothing else to do. Earning money won't come. But I will go to see the elephant." "If you want to go, then go." The son went there and said to the elephant, "Elephant, yes, you are looking like magic. I am a poor farmer. My entire crop has been damaged by the rain and I have no money to run the house. Please help me." After hearing this, the elephant broke off a piece of its golden tusk and saw it. The son said, "You look like a good person. You should sell these golden tusk and remove all your problems." Son took the golden tusk. By selling them in the market, Sahara paid off the debt, but after that Suraj became very poor. Whenever he needed money, Ganesha used to go to the elephant and fetch gold from it, sell it in the market and have fun. Drinking with friends became a daily task. One day he drank a lot and went to the forest with his friends and wanted to kill the golden elephant. Then he took a net with some friends and went to the forest. "What happened now? You came to me again, what is the pain?" Now the doctor suddenly put a net on the elephant, but it moved away and picked up the son with its interest and wanted to kill it, but then the wife of the son, and the son is Ganesha Maharaj's son, got drunk and thought to do such a thing, group him and leave him. It's okay for you to be a good person and live in a forest.